As the sun graces the sky, it brings with it the promise of endless possibilities. A new day, a fresh start, a chance to grow. Each sunrise presents a blank canvas, a chance to paint your masterpiece. Life's journey is a symphony, and in facing challenges, we compose our most powerful movements. Each struggle, each triumph shapes our melody. Every challenge faced, every obstacle overcome adds a note to our symphony. Believe not only in your potential, but in the compelling narrative you are crafting. Your belief is the engine propelling you forward, the spark igniting your journey. Remember, within you lies the ability to script a tale of extraordinary triumph. The verses of kindness and unity possess the transformative power to redefine our collective journey. In each act of compassion, we find strength, shaping a narrative enriched by shared endeavor. Together we can write a chorus that resonates with hope and harmony. Set your goals, persevere with unwavering dedication, and remain steadfast. The journey may be long, but every step is a stride towards your dreams. Your dreams are within reach. Persevere and you shall grasp them. With every sunrise, a fresh page is turned, inviting you to inscribe a story of resilience and inspiration. As the day closes, we reflect on our journey, the victories, the lessons. As the sun sets, it paints the sky with the colors of our journey. Tomorrow we rise again, ready to write another chapter.